Welcome back to Auto Car, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly exciting: the 2025 Nissan Ariya, a stunning electric SUV that blends futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for an EV that turns heads while delivering top-tier performance, this might just be it. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Nissan Ariya maintains the sleek, aerodynamic design that made its debut model a standout, but with some refined touches that make it even more impressive. The bold V-motion front grille, a signature element of Nissan's design language, now features an illuminated Nissan emblem that adds a modern flair. The LED headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, giving the Ariya a sharp, futuristic presence. Moving to the side, you'll notice a seamless profile with flush door handles and a coupe-like roofline. This isn't just about aesthetics, it improves aerodynamics, helping to maximize range. The 19-inch alloy wheels come as standard, but higher trims offer stunning 20-inch wheels with a black and silver finish. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar creates a striking visual, and the sculpted tailgate adds to its sophisticated yet sporty appeal. Overall, the Ariya exudes a premium, high-tech vibe that sets it apart from the competition. Step inside, and the Ariya welcomes you to a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. Nissan has gone all in on a futuristic design with a clean dashboard, free of unnecessary buttons. Instead, capacitive touch controls are integrated into the wood grain trim, offering a sleek and intuitive interface. The dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the dashboard, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. The infotainment supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Nissan's updated voice assistant ensures you stay connected on the go. Seating is plush and comfortable, with zero-gravity seats wrapped in high-quality leather or sustainable synthetic materials. The flat floor design provides ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. Thanks to the EV platform, the panoramic sunroof enhances the airy feel, making the cabin feel even more spacious. The cargo space is generous, offering over 22 cubic feet behind the rear seats, and with the rear seats folded down, you get even more room for storage. Practicality meets elegance in the Ariya's interior, making it perfect for daily commutes and long road trips alike. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Ariya comes with multiple powertrain options, including a standard 63 kWh battery and a larger 87 kWh battery for extended range. The front-wheel drive version produces 214 horsepower, while the dual-motor E4 all-wheel drive variant delivers an impressive 389 horsepower. Acceleration is quick, with the AWD model hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 5 seconds. The ride is smooth, thanks to Nissan's refined chassis tuning and excellent suspension, making it ideal for both city driving and highway cruising. As for pricing, the base model starts at around $45,000, while higher trims with more features and extended range can go up to $60,000 or more. With its blend of style, comfort, and performance, the Ariya is a strong contender in the electric SUV segment. So, what do you think of the 2025 Nissan Ariya? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Car, and we'll see you in the next one.